Hello everybody, today is a beautiful day and all day I have actually been working on my flower wall. So that is basically my standard wall, and then what I've done is made a flower beautiful kind of theme. So I will show you. Of course my husband had to come in and do a few things after I said this is what I wanted, and we kind of went through a few things, and I know you're going to love it. It's so cute. So to start with, we've got all of our flowers. These ones are just from Kmart. Nothing exciting. I have some white, some purpley pink kind of ones, and then I do have these little tiny rosebuds that are going in the middle, and I do also have some pink hydrangeas. Now these are fake flowers and they're going to stay on here, but the great thing about this is once you've done it, because you're using you know, like a floristry sort of foam, and you're just pushing these pieces in. But say it comes to Christmas, then you can add little Christmas themes on it, and say it comes to Easter, you can put some Easter bunny in it, and so on, and it creates a gorgeous little photo opportunity. So for people coming into my little HQ, they can come in here and take some beautiful photos. So let me show you what I've done so far, and I am going to do a video of the process you know, just after this. So let's grab this beautiful camera and let's have a look. Now can you see the chicken wire behind us up the top and the floristry foam? And then here is the start of it. I obviously have not finished, but doesn't it look beautiful? So basically we're doing this on the wall. It's going to run all the way here, and then where you can see it at the end up here, that is going to literally run to the door, and then it's going to look like it runs on the outside, and the outside's also going to have flowers when we end up finishing that. So I thought, like I said, I thought maybe you might want to see what I'm up to. So I'm going to leave the camera here. I'm going to just keep filming so you can see me doing the wall. Hello friends, so here we are just showing you what we have done so far with the wall. It does look beautiful. Now I'll get nice and close. Excuse the muddy floor because it has been absolutely hammering with rain and we've just been crazy, so the mop needs to get out in a minute. But if you can see, this is the little bath that I had. Now I'll show nice and close. My husband cut it, and then he's created these little kind of grooves on the inside which stick to the wall, and then that's how we're screwing it into the wall. So this was definitely a double bath, well, not a double bath, sorry, a normal size bath. You can get these ones if you're looking for them online. I did get this one from Etsy, a supplier on there, and basically what they are is they're called a prop bath, which is called PROP, and basically they pretty much make them so that the little bubbers can sit in them in their little photo shoot. So that's what they're for. And you can see a tiny bit of, hopefully you can see it, wire at the bottom while we're still trying to fix it. And then here I'll get nice and close with the flowers. So you can see there are lots of types. So this particular one here that you can see really close, that sort of rosy colored one, that was probably one of the most expensive ones, but I didn't buy many of them. I just kind of linked them in. And then of course this goes right up to the ceiling, and you can see this bit here that we have not finished yet. So pretty much behind it, that's what it is. It's like a wire, and then we've attached it in, and then basically the beautiful flower wall is going to sort of go right round and then outside again. So I do love it, and I had to go back this morning to get more flowers. Absolutely crazy, because I've ran out of all the flowers, which is okay. But I think so far I've used several hundred. I had to go back again, and thank goodness they had bought in lots more at my local Kmart, because that's where I got most of them from. So the white ones and the big rose ones there, they are from Kmart. These particular ones here, they are from Bunnings, I think. I can't remember, but anyway, majority is from Kmart. So Kmart love me at the moment. I have spent hundreds and hundreds of dollars on flowers, and I will show you down here. Let's have a look. I do have another bag full of flowers and some extra goodies, but I'm really loving how the shop has come along now with the flowers in it. Just feel like it is kind of my vibe. But I've still got lots to do. You can see lots of my products sitting here. These ones, eventually they're all going to actually be boxed. So it's a big work, isn't it? But it doesn't matter. We're just at the start of it, and there's lots that we can do to make this look beautiful. But I hope you've enjoyed this rather small, I guess, short sort of video on my beautiful rose wall. But I do love it. And the great thing is, if you have any cracks or things like that in your wall, this can kind of hide it a little bit. And it does go with the theme. So I'm hoping eventually what people can do is they will be able to come into my shop, and they'll be able to take some selfies, because lots of people say they want to take lots and lots of selfies. So that's kind of a great thing, isn't it? You know, look, and this is my fun place, everybody. This is not a huge shop as well, for anyone wanting to know. It's not a massive shop. It's just a small shop, and as you can see, it is not super big, but it is just perfect for me. So anyway, like I said, I hope that you have enjoyed this. I will try and put down some links at the bottom where I've got everything from, if you want to give it a go yourself. But you can also do this with dry flowers, if you don't want the fake ones. And if you're worried about the dust, I did read a couple other people that had them online. What they did is they got a hairdryer once a month, and they just use the hairdryer to blow through them, and it blows any dust off, and then you just vacuum the floor. So that's what they have done. But we will get going with the outside. In time, I will actually pop a new video on showing you the outside as well. Oh, and to also make my flower wall look gorgeous, I did buy these little things here. They're also from Kmart. They're just a little, you know, like a little shelving. I think they were like $20 on clearance. I painted them up and made them. So just think outside the box, everyone. You don't have to buy something super expensive. Maybe you can just buy something a bit cheaper and have some fun. And this is a great project, whether you have a shop or a studio, or it's even just at home and you want it to look gorgeous. But like I said, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next video. Bye, friends.